Today we're going to be showing an example of how you could use teleport links to create your own page, populate your online store, and visualize your trade collection. Now this is for people, for example, small business owners who have a business and want to offer a different option for people to exchange their goods instead of cash. You might be able to exchange it for other items you would like to sell. And for individuals, it's a fantastic way to showcase your collection. So let's go check out what I have here. Here's my personal website, antoniolaplaca.com, and I've created an example teleport trade page here. And so what you see is I have a little banner, I have the title. Check out what I have up for trade. I'm into video games, vintage electronics, vintage hats, and antiques. So, I give a little description of some of the things I'd like to be interested in. And so what I have here is 3 listings of 3 items that I have. I have a video game, an antique book, and some antique shoes. What happens if somebody comes to this page is they're going to simply hover over an item, and let's say they want to choose something. I'm interested in the shoes. Okay, and you can see here's my page. I can check for offers. What the other person will see is just the page with the title and the description and the photos. And I'm going to show you guys how you can add these to your page. And I'm going to give some of the source code for how I make these little things in the description below. All right, so here we are on the code for the website. It's simple HTML with some React Bootstrap. If you're not familiar with it, that's okay. It's a very simple language that just makes it really easy for you to style your website and have it be dynamic. Here's an example of a card. You see I have 3 of them right here, and I have it in a container that organizes those cards. And let's say I want to create a new card. What I'm going to do is just copy and paste this one, which already exists. And so let's go save this and check out the page. There it is. It popped up. However, let's go add something different. Hanafuda cards. What I'm doing is I'm also making sure I have accept offers turned on, because if I turn that off and update the order, nobody will be able to make offers. So I'm going to turn that back on. I'm going to update the order. So what I'm going to do is hit the share button. And inside of my Ahref, I'm simply going to select this link, hit save, and let's rename this Hanafuda cards. These are super rare cards from the 1950s. And this little thing called alt right here, which you might see in the code, you can ignore that. This is just an extra accessibility thing. So just write in Hanafuda cards. Okay, and so here we're going to get the source image. And for the source image, if you either want to use your own image, you could have your own link to the image. You could either upload it into the HTML, or you can do what I'm going to do here, which is copy the image link. Let's go ahead and paste that, and we're going to hit save. And it looks like it's saved. And now we have Hanafuda cards added to our list. And so as you can see from this, we could build up a nice little store where people can then come in and make an offer on our items. You could use a similar technique just by adding a button. All right, so for example, if you have a thing right here and you don't necessarily want the whole image just to be a teleport, you can simply relegate that to a simple button as an option to sell. And I'll bring them to the Hanafuda. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial in this very interesting way you can utilize Teleport, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create. Thank you.